What's going on, YouTube? What's going on? What's going on, TikTok? Everybody else out there in this social media world is it here. As you can see, I got a special package here. RC car. I've had it on my channel before. I broke it, sent it back to Amazon. I found one on Temu. It's $78. So I said, "Oh, I'll go ahead and get it." Ordered it, arrived yesterday. I was looking on Temu for some lipos, and of course, I like free stuff. Who doesn't like free stuff? So I picked my batteries and went to pick my free gift. And this is what showed up for a free gift. One second. Okay, so this is what showed up. This is not the free gift. This is the one I actually bought. So what we have here is a Bison, a 110 scale, high speed, remote control, truggy, so to speak. 4-wheel drive, independent suspension. It comes with two 2S lipos, but it can run 3S. And if it looks familiar, it's based off the Hosim X-07. With 3S angry snail, it goes up to 68 kmh, roughly. It comes out to about 42 miles per hour, which is not bad. So keep in mind, I paid $78 for this one. So I'm on Temu searching last night and searching for a free gift, and it pops up. So when I see the price, and you'll see it pop up on the screen here shortly, I was like, hold on, this can't be true. But it was. Check it out. Yeah, you saw that right. $25. $25. They're having some sort of flash sale. I don't know what it is. I've ordered 3 more since then. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'll find something to do with them, but $25, guys. $25. So let's see what you get for. Well, I'll show you what I got for $75. But if you order in time, I'll show you what you can get for $25. Give me a second. Okay, so here it is. Here's the truck. As of right now, $25, guys. You cannot beat it, I'm telling you. Go get one. I know people make a lot of jokes about Temu. Temu is legit. I get all my lipos and everything. I just got these in today. $20. Temu, if I can get it open. Okay. $20. Bear with me. I'm recording with one hand, trying to unbox with the other. So this is your unconventional unboxing. So $20. CNHL Black Series 3S 2000 milliamp 30C. I run these in all of my Juicy Race. I run them in my Rolalo. I'm going to run it in this one because it's 3S ready, but it comes with a DIN connector, so you'll need an adapter. $22. Temu. Temu. DIN connector. So let's get into this truck and see what we got here. Okay. You got your user manual. If I can get that open. 1 second. Yeah, have your user manual. I did say I was using one hand. Can't find my tripod. Okay. You got your user manual, you have your controller. And if you're familiar with Hosim, the controller pretty much is a Hosim controller. It's just not branded. It shows you how to set it up. Got your exploded diagram, parts, part numbers. So it uses XLF parts and fly hull, if you're familiar with those two brands. More exploded diagram. Okay, enough of that. That's not what you want to see. This is what you want to see. Okay, guys, so here it is. So what do you get as of right now for 25 bucks? Here's your car. You get 2 body shells, which is cool, especially if you bash hard like I do. That's going to come in handy. Set that to the side. Look at that, guys. Check those shocks out. Nice oil-filled shocks. Very nice oil-filled shocks. Okay. You got your 45 amp ESC, 2-in-1 ESC. Not sure what kV this motor is, but it is brushless. Comes with two 2S lipos. Two 2200 milliamp lipos, 2S, but it can take 3S. So that's a plus. You have a plastic chassis with a metal brace, good beefy bumper, shock absorber, plastic shock towers, oil-filled shocks. Feel pretty nice, a little stiff. Should loosen up over time. Rear, front and rear, plastic rocker arms, plastic upper arms. You also have metal CVDs front and back, thick beefy dog bones. 25 bucks, guys. Center differential. I mean, you can't beat it. So that's pretty much all I got. It comes with this charger, standard USB 2S charger. I never use these. 4-way wrench. Extra body clips, extra screws for your tires. Here's your receiver. Transmitter. If I can get it open. 1 second. Admire the car. Okay, so here's your standard transmitter. XLF transmitter. Feel kind of light. Kind of cheap in the hands, but hey, it'll get the job done. It is fully upgradable. 3 kilogram, 6 kilogram servo, metal servo arm. If you're gonna upgrade it, you're gonna have to replace the ESC and the receiver because it comes with a 2-in-1. It looks like you can upgrade it to a pretty nice size motor. Not sure the pinion size. But like I say, as of right now, 25 bucks. You can't beat it. 25 bucks. You can't beat it. Go grab you one. I'm going to get a lipo charged up, do a quick run. It's about to get dark, so I'm not going to do a speed run. Just a quick run. Let you see how it runs. Catch you in a minute.